Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of x in this given algebra equation. We have x to the power of 2 plus 16 divided by x squared plus 2 equals 6. So to solve this problem, here is what we are going to do. Let's try to subtract 2 from both sides so that we have x squared. So by subtracting 2, we have x squared minus 2 plus 16 divided by x squared plus 2 equals 6 minus 2. So after subtracting this value, then we are going to divide this one by 1. Then after division, then we find the LCM. Since the LCM for this one is x squared plus 2, so then we have to find 1 in x squared plus 2, that is x squared plus 2. Then we multiply it with x squared plus 2, so that we have x squared plus 2 in bracket. So it's going to multiply x squared minus 2. Then we have x squared plus 2 in x squared plus 2, that is 1. Then 1 multiplied by 16, we have it as 16. Then everything equals, so 6 minus 2, that gives us 4. So then by expanding x squared plus 2 with x squared minus 2, what we are going to get here is x to the power of 4 minus 2x squared. Then this multiplied by this, we have it as plus 2x squared. So 2 multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 4. So plus 16 divided by x squared plus 2 equals 4. So after having what we have here, so we know that this cancels this. Then we have x to the power of 4. So here minus 4 plus 16, that gives us plus 12. Then when we cross multiply, everything will be equals to 4 into bracket of x squared plus 2. So on getting to this stage, we are going to open this parenthesis so that we have x to the power of 4 plus 12 equals 4 multiplied by x squared, that is 4x squared, plus 4 multiplied by 2, that gives us 8. Then we take the whole of 4x squared plus 8 to this side. Then we have x to the power of 4 plus 12. Then taking this one here, we have it as minus 4x squared. Then we have this as minus 8. Everything equals 0. Then let's do the proper arrangement. We have x to the power of 4. So followed by minus 4x to the power of 2. So this and this one give us plus 4 equals 0. So to solve this cubic equation, what we are going to do here is, let's say for this x to the power of 4, if we write it as x to the power 2 all raised to the power of 2, we know by rule of indices 2 times 2 is also equals 4. Then minus 4x to the power of 2 plus 4, everything equals 0. So having this x to the power of 2, by considering the property of quadratic equation, so when we have this kind of result, we are going to compare it with ax squared plus bx plus c. Then instead of this one, which is x squared, we know this one is taking x to the power of 4. So we are going to consider this x as the base. That instead of x we are going to take here, we take x to the power of 2. Therefore, we consider their coefficient as a equals 1, which is coefficient of this one. Then minus equals to, we have b equals minus 4. So let's call this command. Then we have c equals 4. So we plug in this in this quadratic equation, we are not using x again, we are using x to the power of 2 equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is what we are going to apply to solve this. So here we have x to the power of 2 equals, so b here is now minus 4. Then we have minus open bracket minus 4 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by, so the value of a is 1 and the value of c is 4. Then everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So next we have x to the power of 2 equals, when minus multiply minus, we are going to get plus 4. Then plus or minus the square root of, so minus 4 square gives us 16. Then 4 times 4 also gives us 16 divided by 2. So with this one, we are going to have this as 4 plus or minus, this one will become 0. Then square root of 0 equals 0 divided by 2. So with what we have here, we believe that the value of x squared is now equals to 4 plus or minus 0 is still going to give us 4. Then we have it as 4 divided by 2, that gives us 2. Then with what we have here, we conclude that the value of x equals the square root of 2. But here is square, then we consider it as plus or minus, as the two values of x is plus root 2 and minus root 2. And if we try to verify for this question, as the value of x we get is root 2, it's truly going to be equal, because the given question says x to the power of 2 plus 16 divided by x to the power of 2 plus 2 equals 6. And we know that from here, x squared is 2. By trying to plug in the value of that x squared, which is 2, then we have this as 2 plus 16 divided by, so x squared is still 2. Then we have 2 plus 2, that is 4. So when we divide this one, we get 4. Then 2 plus 4, everything equals 6. So which means at x equals root 2 is our solution. So which is true for plus, and is also true for minus. So when we check. Thanks for watching, and this is how to solve this problem. I hope you learned something today, and please try to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.